We are here to introduce you to some of the coolest and most interesting animals that you have never heard of. I'm going to introduce you to some of the coolest and most interesting animals that you have never heard of before. These animals come from all over the world and are sure to amaze and fascinate you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy learning about some amazing creatures that you had no idea existed. 10. Okapi. The okapi is an interesting animal that you have probably never heard of. It is a large mammal that looks like a cross between a zebra and a giraffe, but it is actually more closely related to the latter. Okapis are found in the forests of the Congo Basin, where they feed on leaves and fruits. They are shy and solitary animals and are seldom seen by humans. However, they are an important part of the forest ecosystem, and their populations are declining due to habitat loss. And hunting. If you ever have the chance to see an okapi in the wild, consider yourself lucky. So before we continue our video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 9. Quagga. The quagga is a zebra-like animal that was native to South Africa. It is one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. The quagga was heavily hunted during the 19th century and became extinct in the wild by 1883. The last captive quagga died in 1885. However, there has been a recent effort to revive the quagga through breeding programs. The goal is to create an animal that looks similar to the original quagga, but is not actually a quagga. The new animals are called quaggas or quaglins. So far, these breeding programs have been successful in creating animals that look and behave like the original quagga. However, it remains to be seen whether or not the quagga can be successfully brought back from extinction. 8. Komodo Dragon. The Komodo dragon is one of the most interesting animals on the planet. It is a giant lizard that can reach lengths of up to 10 feet and weigh over 200 pounds. But what makes the Komodo dragon so interesting is its ability to kill large prey with its deadly venom. The venom of the Komodo dragon is so powerful that it can kill a human in just minutes. In fact, the Komodo dragon is the only animal on the planet that is known to have killed a human being. Thankfully, these creatures are found only on the island of Komodo in Indonesia and are not a threat to people outside of their natural habitat. 7. Gharial Crocodile. The Gharial Crocodile is one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. It is a freshwater crocodile found in rivers of South and Southeast Asia. The most interesting thing about the Gharial Crocodile is its extremely long and narrow snout, which is twice as long as its body. This snout is specially adapted for catching fish, and the Gharial Crocodile is actually one of the best fishermen among all crocodiles. Although it is not a threat to humans, the Gharial crocodile is an endangered species due to habitat loss and overfishing. With only a few hundred individuals left in the wild, it is important to raise awareness about this fascinating creature before it becomes extinct. 6. Axolotl. The axolotl is definitely one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, this strange creature is actually a type of salamander that has the ability to regenerate its limbs. In fact, scientists have even been able to transplant axolotl limbs onto other animals, providing a potential treatment for human amputees in the future. And if that wasn't enough, the axolotl is also capable of completely regrowing its spinal cord if it is severed. As a result, this amazing animal has generated a lot of excitement among biologists and medical researchers alike. So next time you hear someone say that they are as curious as an axolotl, you'll know exactly what they mean. 5. Aye-aye. Aye-ayes are interesting animals that you have probably never heard of. They are nocturnal creatures that live in the forests of Madagascar. Aye-ayes have long, slim fingers and large eyes, which help them to see in the dark. They also have sharp teeth, which they use to gnaw through the hard shells of coconuts. Aye-ayes are interesting animals not only because of their appearance, but also because of their behavior. For example, they tap on trees to find insects to eat, and they use their long fingers to fish grubs out of crevices. If you ever have the chance to see an aye-aye, you will definitely be impressed by this fascinating creature. 4. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. These interesting creatures are found in North America, and they are mostly found in the eastern part of the continent. They are small animals with a body length of only 6 to 8 inches. But their most distinguishing feature is their nose, which is covered with 22 small, fleshy tentacles. These tentacles are very sensitive, and they help the mole to identify food and navigate its underground tunnels. The star-nosed mole is an excellent example of how interesting and unique the animal kingdom can be. 3. Gerenuk Antelope. The gerenuk, also known as the Waller's gazelle, is a member of the antelope family that is found in dry woodlands and scrublands in Kenya and Ethiopia. The gerenuk is a relatively small antelope, standing about 3 feet at the shoulder and weighing up to 100 pounds. Despite its size, the gerenuk is one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. The gerenuk has long, thin legs and a neck that is too short to reach the ground. As a result, the gerenuk must stand on its hind legs to feed on leaves and buds from trees. The gerenuk is also one of the few antelopes that can go without drinking water for long periods of time. In fact, the gerenuk gets most of the moisture it needs from the plants it eats. Thanks to its unique adaptations, the gerenuk is able to thrive in some of the driest environments on Earth. 2. Narwhal Whale. The narwhal whale is one of the most interesting animals that you have never heard of. Narwhals are a type of toothed whale, and they are best known for their long, spiral tusk. The tusk is actually an extended tooth that can grow up to 10 feet in length. This interesting appendage is used for a variety of purposes, including communication and self-defense. Narwhals also have a thick layer of blubber that helps to keep them warm in the frigid Arctic waters. In addition to their unique appearance, narwhals are also interesting creatures because of their social behavior. They live in small pods and are very shy around humans. For these reasons, the narwhal whale is truly one of nature's most interesting creatures. 1. Panda Ant. There are many interesting animals in the world, but few are as curious as the panda ant. This creature gets its name from its unique appearance. It is black and white like a panda bear, but it is actually a member of the wasp family. Panda ants are found in Chile and Argentina, where they live in underground nests. So this is all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.